Hello, my name is Kristin Dahlen, and I will be presenting on the Grand Canal, which is a vast waterway system located in northeastern and central eastern plains of China. It is the largest man-made canal or river in the world. Construction of the canal began as early as the 5th century and was mostly built during the Sui dynasty that ruled from 581 to 618 AD. It is reported that millions of slaves worked on the major construction portion that took approximately 6 years to complete, around 605 AD. The Grand Canal started in Beijing and ends in the ocean near Ningbo. This puts the Grand Canal at a whopping 1,115 miles long, with several forks and branches connecting other rivers and canals throughout China. The most important connection was that to the Yellow River that linked many other areas to a major construction materials trading route, as most of the rivers run west to east. The main purpose for constructing the Grand Canal was for communication of the empire, and then ultimately leading to trade. And the main trade was grain. During its peak usage, transportation of approximately 400,000 tons of grain was traded, bringing large amounts of money to China's economy. There were 18 major cities along the canal with unique cultures and offering vibrant nightlife. The canal was the centerpiece to these cities, as you will see in this photo. The railroad introduced to China during the 19th century crippled the usage on the canal and ultimately led to neglect of the various parts of the canal. Some sections were still used for construction material transport, but it became faster and easier to use the railway system and then the subway or metro to get around. Despite these technological advances in transport, the canal remains an alternative option should the other options become difficult or delayed for transport. Sections of the canal went through a restoration in 1958, removing waterfront buildings and replacing it with grass, as you will see in this photo. Currently, it is estimated that 100,000 river vessels transit yearly on the busy sections of the canal. These vessels carry around 260 million tons, consisting mostly of construction material. Grain trade has ceased to exist on the canal. Today, many tourists add the Grand Canal to their must-see itineraries when visiting China. And in June 2014, UNESCO finally inscribed the Grand Canal on its World Heritage List. Thank you.